Hello everyone, and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most silent, dangerous, and underestimated threats in the world of cybersecurity: spyware. At first glance, spyware doesn't look like a devastating cyber weapon. It doesn't lock your files like ransomware. It doesn't crash your system like a virus. And it doesn't scream for attention with obvious signs. Spyware is different. Spyware hides, it waits, it collects, and by the time you realize something is wrong, the damage may already be irreversible. Think about this. Everything you do online, every search, every password, every conversation, every photo, could be silently monitored. Not by a government agency in a movie, but by a piece of code installed on your device without your knowledge. A program that watches, listens, and reports back to whoever controls it. That is spyware. Before we dive into the chilling details of how spyware works, how it spreads, and how you can protect yourself, make sure to subscribe to Cibertips. Give this video a like and turn on notifications. Here, we uncover the digital tricks hackers don't want you to know, so that you can stay safe in an online world that is more dangerous every day. Now let's uncover the truth about spyware. Spyware is malicious software designed specifically to monitor your activity and steal information. It can log your keystrokes, capture your screen, track your browsing habits, record your conversations, and even activate your camera or microphone without permission. The scariest part is that most people never know it's there. It doesn't need flashy graphics or warnings. It thrives in the shadows, undetected. One of the most common forms of spyware is the keylogger. Keyloggers record every single key you press: your emails, your passwords, your messages, everything. Imagine typing your bank login details, and at the exact moment you hit enter, that data has already been sent to a cyber criminal. To you, nothing looks wrong. Your account works, your device works, but in the background, someone else is now holding the keys to your digital life. Another dangerous type of spyware is the Trojan. Trojans often disguise themselves as something harmless: a free app, a cracked program, even a fake update. Once installed, they create a backdoor into your system, allowing attackers to spy on you in real time. Some spyware can even take screenshots or silently copy your files and send them back to the attacker. But spyware isn't limited to computers. Smartphones are even more vulnerable. Every day, people install apps that look fun, useful, or free. Without realizing, those apps may be silently collecting data. Your GPS location, your contacts, your photos, your text messages, even the microphone of your phone can be used to spy on you. Mobile spyware has grown into a billion-dollar underground industry. Governments have also been caught using spyware. You may have heard of Pegasus, one of the most advanced spyware tools ever discovered. It was capable of infiltrating smartphones without the user doing anything at all, not even clicking a link. Once inside, it gave attackers complete access to everything on the device. It was reportedly used to target journalists, activists, and political figures. That's not science fiction, that's real. The scary truth is that spyware has evolved to the point where it doesn't just steal information, it can shape behavior. By studying your patterns, your interests, your weaknesses, spyware can make you vulnerable to more targeted attacks, scams, and manipulation. It's like giving an enemy a detailed map of your mind. So how does spyware end up on your device? The methods vary. Sometimes it comes bundled with free software or pirated content. Sometimes it arrives through phishing emails or malicious links. Other times it can be installed physically if someone gains access to your device. And in some cases, advanced spyware can exploit security flaws in your system without you doing anything at all. The danger is not only in how it spreads, but also in how it hides. Spyware is designed to be invisible. It runs in the background, often disguising itself as a legitimate process. It doesn't slow down your computer drastically, because the last thing it wants is to raise suspicion. It's like a parasite, feeding on your information while making sure you don't notice. Now here's the chilling part. Spyware can remain on a system for months, even years, silently feeding information to attackers. Imagine everything you've typed, every password you've entered, every message you've sent in the last year. all stored somewhere, waiting to be used against you. The financial consequences are massive. Spyware can steal credit card numbers, banking logins, cryptocurrency wallets, and personal identification documents. But the personal consequences are just as damaging. Imagine someone reading your private conversations, accessing your photos, or spying on your family through your own devices. It's invasive, violating, and deeply personal. So how do you protect yourself from spyware? The first step is awareness. Understanding that spyware exists and that it's a real threat is crucial. The second step is prevention. Always download apps and software from trusted sources. Be skeptical of free offers, cracked software, or unknown attachments. Update your operating system and applications regularly, because many spyware tools rely on unpatched vulnerabilities. Use strong antivirus and anti-malware tools. Many of them are designed specifically to detect and remove spyware. For smartphones, check app permissions regularly. If a flashlight app is asking for access to your microphone and contacts, something is definitely wrong. Another powerful defense is behavior. Be cautious with the links you click, the files you open, and the Wi-Fi networks you connect to. Cybercriminals rely on human error to install spyware, and awareness reduces that risk dramatically. But let's face it, even with all precautions, no one is ever 100% safe. Advanced spyware can bypass defenses. That's why it's also important to limit the damage it can do. Use two-factor authentication for your accounts, so even if a password is stolen, the attacker can't log in. Encrypt sensitive files. Back up your important data so that even if something is stolen or deleted, you don't lose everything. The fight against spyware is a constant battle, because the technology keeps evolving. Attackers adapt to defenses and defenders must adapt back. What remains constant is this: knowledge is the most powerful weapon you have. If you understand how spyware works, you're far less likely to become its victim. The world we live in today is more connected than ever. Our devices are part of our lives. Our phones, our computers, our tablets, even our smart TVs and watches. And with that connection comes vulnerability. Spyware isn't going away. In fact, it's becoming more sophisticated every year. But with the right habits, awareness, and tools, you can protect yourself. At Cibertips, we believe that the best defense is education. Hackers thrive on ignorance, on people who don't know the risks. But every time you watch a video like this, every time you learn how attacks work, you take back control. So stay curious, stay aware, and stay safe. And remember, spyware may be invisible, but knowledge makes it powerless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cibertips. Together we can make the internet a safer place, one tip at a time. And now ask yourself, is your device really private, or is someone already watching?